Welcome back to our channel How to Guide. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys on how you can fix your iPhone message notification sound not working. So guys, if you have noticed that your message notifications don't have a sound and they're not working and you don't know how to fix that, then this video is for you. So guys, in order to fix that, first of all, you just need to do a routine test first. Just go ahead and check your phone is in the silent mode or the ringer mode. Make sure it's on. And now just go ahead and open settings, and once you do so, you just need to scroll down till you're in sound and haptics right here. Just go ahead and tap there and just check all the buttons that you have, the text tone specifically and the other tones. Make sure they're on and just change it in case they're not working properly. And once you've done that, go back and do so with all of the other sounds too, the system haptics options and many more. You can also check them. So this just I'll put it in the high note and you can see, and you can also tap on never plays, always play. Make sure it's in this, otherwise you may not be able to hear your notification sounds. And also go ahead and tap on notifications and make sure your notifications are turned on. As you can see, this has been off, so you could just turn them on like this. And once you do so, just check in the sounds as well and make sure they're turned on too. And guys, and once you do all these things, your message notification sound must start working. So guys, that's how you fix your iPhone message notification sound not working. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you found this video helpful, please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below. And if you want more helpful videos like these, then please subscribe to our channel. We'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching.